I am the lead of open source software in the community stream.
I'm a software engineer at Riverlane.
I'm a senior FPGA design engineer at Riverlane.
I'm a graduate engineer at Riverlane.
I think what's really valuable for this industry from a sort of software engineering perspective is having engineers who are able to build models for quantum error correction very quickly that can be used to inform hardware design of chips that can be used for quantum error correction.
For me, with the mathematical background coming into engineering, one thing I use a lot is the problem-solving skills and being able to understand complex ideas.
I'm a senior FPGA design engineer at Riverlane. Prior to this, I was working at the Indian Space Research Organization, where I developed FPGA-based satellite payloads. Later on during my MSc, I was exploring similar research-oriented cutting-edge tech fields.
My background is in physics and experimental condensed matter physics. And I'm really excited about quantum error correction because it combines all of those skills that I have into creating fault-tolerant quantum computers.
With quantum computers, you have these particles called qubits, which have these amazing properties, which are what the quantum computers are built from. But it also means that they can be very unreliable and they can have very large errors.
So there's always going to have to be some layer in the stack that takes care of making your circuit or algorithm robust against errors. And that's what a quantum error correcting system does.
I think one of the most amazing things about quantum error correction is that none of this has really been done before. So often with software engineering, there'll be some sort of framework that you can follow, whereas with QEC, a lot of the time what we're exploring is completely new territory, and that's a really exciting challenge to be part of.
At Riverlane, I have developed the data layer of the quantum error correction interface, which is in-house developed specification for communication between a control system and the QEC system.
And I think Riverlane is in a very unique position to be leading the charge on quantum error correction. We're the only company that's really focusing on building a quantum error correction system, like a physical piece of hardware that will unlock some advanced error correcting codes.
Here, I am constantly encouraged to upskill myself. And I was also introduced to formal verification as part of my role, which completely changed my perspective of designing.
One of my goals is to feel like I'm working with people to create something that's good for the world. There's so many positive applications, particularly in chemistry and drug discovery.
And there's such a depth of knowledge about quantum error correction at Riverlane that you can't help but learn so much and so quickly.